and welcome to Twinkl Kids TV. In today's video, we're going to draw a majestic whale. Grab yourself some paper and a pencil and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Are you ready to draw a peaceful whale? Let's start by sketching the whale's head on the left of your page. Draw up a little, then a long nose shape, then down again. Now draw a line beneath to make their jaw. Carry on and then round to create the whale's head. Draw a long sausage shape attaching to the head. This is the main part of their body. At the end of the sausage shape, attach another smaller sausage shape which arches up towards the top of the page. Sketch a sausage-shaped flipper on the side of their body. Add a triangular fin at the top of the smallest sausage shape. At the top of the smallest sausage, make two beautiful tail fins. Make the lowest tail fin travel into the body area. Now draw a tiny eye just above the end of their mouth. This is the outline of your whale. You can see how strong and smooth their body is. This allows them to swim in the water with least resistance and most strength. You've completed the sketching phase. Well done! Next, you will learn how to draw the final drawing phase. Pencils ready? Use the outline to draw over their nose with an extra lump for where their other eye would be. Enhance the curve on their mouth. Draw their jaw and belly until you get to their flipper. Draw round the flipper, leaving the top slightly open. Now draw their belly to their tail. Draw from head, down, there and back. Go around their back fin to the start of their tail. Draw their lower tail fin, creating a little lip at the tip. Now draw the higher tail fin with an emphasized point at the end. Finally, draw in their eye. Rub out your sketching lines so you are left with just your final drawn lines. Doesn't your whale look awesome? If you've enjoyed drawing this whale, remember to like and subscribe so you can see what we are going to draw next. Watch this again if you've missed any bits. See you next time!